In this video, I spent some time in Brighton on a writing retreat. Something you may or may not know about me is that I'm also a writer as well as a travel vlogger. So I go to these places to find things to write about. While I'm in these places travelling, I'm generally writing a book, but I've not had one out now since COVID times, which was a bestseller. You can find the link below. But definitely make sure that you check out the rest of this video where I show you an amazing Airbnb and tell you about some deeper stuff. Let's go deep and tell you about my journey and where it is I plan to go. Well, good morning. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Louise. My friends call me Lou. And what am I doing? I'm in the hunt of a lusher life, which basically means not the perfect life, but a better life. And in this video, I'm going to show you around somewhere in the UK, which is unusual. We're normally showing you around hotels that are abroad. And the reason that I do that is started out as my profession as a nutritionist. So I was going and looking at all the foods and the gluten-free stuff because I'm also celiac, so I eat gluten-free. But today we're going to Brighton in the UK, which is a fabulous place to be. Oh, gonna have to have those on today. Gorgeous weather, really pleased about it. But first stop, I'm going to miss the traffic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and get myself a nice little flat white with sugar-free vanilla, and I'm going to sit and do my journaling and maybe a little bit of writing. So a little bit of backstory about me, just really quickly, is that since forever I've wanted to embrace this writer life, this writer dream that I'm on, and this video is going to show you some stuff about that and dig quite deep. It's going to be a deeper one. You're going to learn a few more things about me. But first things first, I have been through some stuff in the last year, and I'm really pleased to say I'm coming out the other side. So you are going to see a whole lot more on this channel. I would love you to subscribe. If you're new here, please do. And then, yeah, if you want to stick around and come with me, let's go to Brighton on this gorgeous sunny morning. It's very spring-like this morning. And yeah, so find out this story and stick with me. You're going to love it.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed?
Well, so far this has been the longest car journey in the world, because as you saw, I went to Costa's to do a little bit of writing there. But that was local to us, and then I decided to meet and spend a little bit of time with Jasmine, and then I got really tired, and now I've just stopped off at the service station, which is near us. I'm about halfway to Brighton, but because it started raining I thought it's not much point. But I went to get a drink, and by the way, buy yourself a bamboo straw from Amazon because they're so much nicer than paper straws. But my kids tell me that McDonald's Coke is the best Coke Zero that there is, and can't lie, pretty good. But I wouldn't eat from Mackey's because they're obviously not gluten-free. So I've gone to Leon to buy something from there. If you've never tried Leon, give them a whirl. Don't need these sunglasses on, it's not sunny at all. But I did get really thirsty. I need to get cracking, I need to get on. Most of my cohort are in Brighton already, and they are in the local library because we can't get into our Airbnb yet. So I'm going to go now and hopefully meet them on the way, or hopefully meet them there, but hopefully it will also stop raining. Well, I have arrived and I've really struggled to park. No idea, we're over there somewhere, so I'm going to go try and find the place and hopefully get in at least. This Brighton home is perfect for a retreat. So Brighton's a place that's full of character, charm and inclusivity. It's the perfect place for embracing who you truly are and stepping into who you truly want to be. So when I was invited to be part of a fabulous cohort who all wanted to spend some time writing and researching, I didn't hesitate. This is really nice. They left some nice bits there, and there's some tea and coffee and stuff. Really nice decor, look at it. There's a fridge there, all lovely and clean. So I think this is where the magic's going to be happening here. There's areas in this property where we can sit quietly to write on our own work and work in progress and brainstorm some ideas. This comfy and stylish Airbnb has got so many rooms in it, and it has the famous lanes, and the Brighton Pavilion literally has its neighbours right in the centre of the city. Something you might notice about me is my passion for writing about places I've visited. Some of these works might be simple blog posts, while some are complete books, and many of my musings have remained half written. So I'd dearly love to carve some time out to focus on completing these tales, and it's something which I firmly plan to do. Of course, I'd love to take you on this journey with me, and I appreciate all of you for every minute you spend on this channel, watching, or clicking like or commenting. It really enables me to continue on this path of writing and travel while I still give time to my health and to my family. This trip to Brighton saw a huge amount of words added to my work in progress, which is called Whitewashed. It's about my time that I spent in Greece trying to figure out my life. So will you come with me please on this journey together? I would love it. So I'm beginning to wonder lately if maybe my place on this earth was designed to share my stories.
I'm not home. I wanna know.
Okay, so I've arrived, and if you know me, you'll know that I get really heebie-jeebies. This place is super cute. I love all the little bits they've got everywhere, but I'm not sure if these beds are incredibly small, and I don't know, I'm just getting in my own head like I do. Yeah, it's cute. I just don't know quite where we might be being. Not too sure yet. This one's definitely not the one for me, for sure. I think because this bathroom looks super lovely, and yeah, everything's kind of just there. I think maybe we'll take this one, perhaps. I don't know. No one else seems to be here yet, so I might use the loo first.
Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like a bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed.
So it's time to chill down. Look at these lovely lights on the wall, isn't that great? I'm not going to be able to write tonight, so I'm going to sit and read instead. I'm really excited to do that, and have a mint tea and maybe an early night.
And go. You only got this life. No guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by.
The trauma on the journey showed me that things do turn out okay, really. And if I can help someone else feel that perhaps a change in vibration could go some way towards healing ourselves and the environment around us, I don't know. But I do feel called to write, and I'd love you to come on this journey with me.
That's about to let us know how to go. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like
just to finish this vlog off, I am at home, poorly with an ear infection. So the vlog ended abruptly. So sorry about that. But let's do some more, yeah? You up for some more of that kind of thing? Lovely. See you soon.
Good morning.